Hello, students. Today is my last day of cooking club for a while. So instead of cooking something, I'm actually going to make something. I'm going to make a white chocolate yogurt dip. So for this white chocolate yogurt dip, you only need 2 ingredients. Fage plain yogurt. I chose to use fat-free. This is 0% fat. You could choose to use a 2% fat, 5% fat, any type of plain yogurt. This is non-fat. Plain Greek yogurt. It doesn't have any flavor. And the other ingredient is this Jell-O instant pudding. This sugar-free white chocolate flavor. These are hard to find, but Walmart always has them. I can't find them at the grocery store a lot of the time, but I always end up finding them at Walmart. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take a bowl, and you're going to place your yogurt in there. Now, this is the size yogurt I bought. It's like a 17 ounce. It does come in a double one also, but this is the size I always use. I'm going to put my entire container of yogurt into the bowl. Then I'm going to open up my Jell-O brand pudding, white chocolate flavor, sugar-free, and dump that in. And I'll just take a fork and mix it really good. At first, when you first make it, it seems like a little bit gritty. But if you let it sit for a few minutes, that grittiness goes away, from the powdered pudding mix. And then when it's all mixed up, you're all done and you're ready to serve it. So you can serve this. You can use this many different ways. I eat it with fruit. So one of my favorite things to do is I have a bowl full of strawberries. And I will serve it with just a side of this. And then I just like to dip my strawberries in it and eat it. Okay. Another thing you can do with these, make a fruit salad. And a lot of times I'll just take a bowl of fruit salad and I will serve it with a side of this yogurt dip. Or if you're going to a party, you can make a fruit platter and then put a dollop or a bowl full of this yogurt dip in there, place a spoon in there and some toothpicks, and you have a nice appetizer. But like I said, my favorite thing to do is dip my strawberries into the white chocolate yogurt mix and eat that. Bon appetit!